Buongiorno Westwing, prego.
Herzlich willkommen Westwing in unserem Country Atelier.
Every single painting I do is something come from inside to outside, is part of me. I can use all material, but I choose to use acrylic because I love nature. It's a little bit more bio than the oil. And then I can do even sculpture in wood, in bronze, even light sculpture I do. I have different topics in my painting. I have the Classic Bergonzoli. It was the style I developed when I start. The blue eye is inside of all the Classic Bergonzoli. It was something I used for 20 years, and then I start make painting with water lilies, a painting with Venezia, because it's a unique city. I really love it. The perfect workspace for me is to have daylight, to have space, and music. I play electric guitar, I play drums. The music is inspirational. It's very important. I take my inspiration from the nature, full of color, energy. And I take inspiration even from the old master, Caravaggio, Da Vinci, Canaletto. And then I take inspiration from my muse Francisca, my love. She was in the art business before we met. We were introduced by an art dealer in Buenos Aires. After that, started the collaboration between me and her. And now we did the new project, the Magic Food book together.
Die Zusammenarbeit mit Mauro an diesem Buch ist eigentlich ein Traum von uns, seitdem wir uns kennen. Die Rezepte sind alle von mir, sind alles Originalrezepte, die ich erfunden habe. Mauro hat dazu tolle Bilder gemalt.
I love to take the viewer inside of my work and see the color, the positivity, Mother Nature. Love is important, magic is important. It's a wonderful world inside of my painting.